Asian stocks retreated today. Some of them were already dealt a heavy blow earlier this week following big declines in the U.S. and other major countries on Christmas Eve, mainly due to fears of a global economic slowdown in 2019. Here's Kim Ji-yeon with a breakdown of the digits.
South Korea's benchmark KOSPI dipped to an almost two-month low, falling by more than 1% to close at 2,028 on Wednesday, only about 30 points above the psychologically important 2009. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy KOSDAQ dropped by more than 0.6% to close at around 666. The Minister of Economy and Finance held an emergency meeting with officials of the Bank of Korea and other relevant agencies to monitor markets and discuss possible countermeasures after major markets around the globe witnessed one of the worst Christmas seasons on record. Japan's Nikkei, which dipped below the 20,000 mark for the first time in 15 months the previous day, ended with a gain of less than 1% on Wednesday. MSCI's broad index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan slipped by 2%, while the Shanghai Composite Index lost 0.3%. The Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the Nasdaq all shed more than 2% on Monday, eroding investor confidence following the U.S. partial government shutdown and President Donald Trump's attacks on the Federal Reserve. President Trump on Tuesday furthered his criticism of the Fed, saying the central bank was hiking interest rates too quickly. Investors were also grappling with news U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin had called up top U.S. bankers, making plans to convene a plunge protection team. This ignited investor fears of a global economic slowdown. Already, the International Monetary Fund has downgraded its 2019 growth forecast for the global economy to 3.7% in October from the previous 3.9% in July. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.